Okay.
Okay, this is the public class data structure practice. We have created here a class of data structure. Okay, so we can create here, for example, create an array here with the name stag. Okay.
Okay.
An array. Okay. An array
just
of
an
integer.
array. Just
an array. Okay. Integer, like we define the array.
Yep.
Yes.
So,
No.
what's it? My keyboard.
Just int okay, stag.
Okay. Oh wait.
Like
Array.
this one.
Okay.
Okay, I think
yes.
we made here. No, this one is defined. Okay, an array of 10 elements. Okay, also defined here an object integer variable top and assign it -1. Okay, this will be the top and equal to -1. -1 means that there is no element. Okay, and whenever we are going to assign the first element, we will increment its value. Okay. Okay, so we are checking here the size, and the size of the array, our stack is 10. Okay. Understand? Now we define here the functions. Okay, this is our public class. You will have to define here the main function. Okay, write this code in the main function, not this one. Okay, because we are not trying to create this one using the classes. Okay. This one. Okay, now outside that one, declare a public static function. Okay, push. Public static function push. And it will take an argument of integer type. Okay. So we will have to define these two variables outside the main function as a global variable. Okay, these two variables, so that it can be accessed throughout all the functions. Okay, like this one. Okay, so what will okay, now define here another function, public static pop. Pop will take no element, no argument. Okay, and it will just, but it will return value integer. Okay, because no, it will not return. Okay, sorry, it will delete the value, so it will also be the void. Okay, it will also be the void. Then we have the function isfull. Okay, isfull, it will be public static, it will return boolean value. Okay, so it will be bool, and its name will be isfull. Okay, and it will take nothing as a parameter. Okay, and then the method must return bool.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, next we have the is empty. Okay, public is empty, and it will again take no argument. Okay, now now you can make the last operation peek and display. Okay, peek and display.
Peek will return the element.
Right? Yes, it will return the element, so it will have integer type. Okay. Okay, so it will type, and then we have the display function.
Okay.
Okay, now these are the functions that will be operations that can be performed on this one. Okay, so first of all, we will write the code of is full and is empty. What will be the is full? Okay, here we will check that if, okay, because we have hard coded the size. Okay, we have hard coded the size. Understand?
Yeah.
Because the size is 10. Okay, so what will be the here if top equals to 10, not 10, I think minus 9. Okay, because 0, we are going to start with 0.
Oh yes.
Okay. If top is equal to 9, okay, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. We make it like this one. Go up there, please, go up there, and we define before this integer like this one, for example, int, okay, size. Okay,
Okay.
for example, because size is a keyword, I think.
Okay.
Size,
I mean, can we just use my stack dot size
10. Okay, for example, this one. A stack is a keyword. Okay, size is a no keyword, and we will put here size. Okay, understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now it will make sense. Go there, and it will equal to, if top is equal double equal to size minus 1. Understand? Whatever the size minus 1, so it will return true, else it will return false.
Okay.
Yes, else it will return false. Understand? What is here? Cannot non-static field. Okay, it means that we have to declare them all of static. Okay.
Yeah.
Because we are just declaring without class. Okay. In the next lecture, we will make it as a class. Okay. Stack will be a class, and everything will be on the operation. Okay. Now, in the same way, we can write the is empty. What will be the is empty? Is empty will check that if the value of top is equal to -1. Okay.
Yes.
If top is equal to -1, it means that return true, and otherwise return false. And otherwise return false. Now this is the is. Now go to the push element. Okay. Now go to the push. Whenever we are going to push, we will check that if okay, if yes, we can type here is full. Okay, if is full, and we will is full. Is full will be written here like this one. Okay, because this is a function. Okay, we will write here the function, and when it is not is full. Okay, so we will call it if not is full. Okay, we will use the not operator. If not is full, okay, then what will do? Then what will do? Then you just do my stack, my stack, and in the places, not add. We have, this is an array, okay, in the square brackets,
Okay, square brackets, okay.
And plus top inside the bracket. Okay, we are mentioning the index here. Okay, plus top, not top plus top. Okay, yes, is equal to I.
Is equal to I.
No.
Oh,
outside that is equal to I. Look at what happened. Okay, whenever we are going to push, it will plus top. Okay, the value of top will be incremented. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So, the top value is initially -1, so it will be 0. So at 0 index, I will be added. Okay.
Okay.
Understand? You can you make the sense here.
Yes.
Whenever. Okay.
Similar.
Okay. Now we go to the pop function. Okay. Whenever we are going to make the pop here, okay, the pop function means that whenever you will call the pop, you will check is not empty. Very nice. Okay. And if it is not empty, just what we do here, okay, just
Yeah.
top minus minus, because
Yes.
just whenever the top value will be decrement, it means that the value is removed. Okay. Now the index of
Okay.
top is changed. Understand?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now go to the last function. This is going to be complete. This one is peak. Whenever we are
Yes.
going to call the peak, it will return. Okay. It
Mhm.
will return, and we before returning we can check that whether this is the value exists there. Okay, so we will make here if top greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. Okay, if greater than equal to 0, it
0.
means that there is some value. Okay, so what we'll do here, return
Okay.
my stack, and inside square bracket top,
Yes.
whatever the index of top is, return that element. Understand?
Yes.
And now go to the display, and what is it saying that?
It says I have to return an int statement.
Okay, basically this is we are using the return statement inside the if. Okay, no, we are using the return statement inside the if. That's why it is giving an error. Okay,
Yeah.
if top greater than equal to 0, then return my stack, and go there, else print a message here. Okay, return. In the return statement we will have, yes, else we have to return here something. Okay,
Yeah.
return.
No.
Okay, return, no, return return -1. Okay, return -1. We will make it later. Okay, return -1. -1 mean that there is no element. Okay,
Okay.
we will make this one there. Okay, if top is greater than equal to 0, so we are going to return the myStack.top, and then if it is no, in the make a loop here and display the stack. Okay, public static display. Okay, make a loop here for loop from 0 to the top. Okay, int I is equal to 0 and I less than top. Okay, and, less than equal to top, because top will contain the, yes, less than equal top, and then sys dot out. Okay, and the values of my stack of I.
Yes.
Okay, my stack of I. This is the complete operations on the stack, I think. Okay, now we can go there, go in the top main function. Okay,
Yes.
yes, make here for example sys out here. Okay, sys out here, make a like 0, 1 for push. Okay, 2 for 1 for push, press 1 for push. Okay, press 2 for pop. Okay, and similarly we can have the arguments here. Okay, now we need the scanner input and output. Okay,
Yeah.
we are taking the input here. Okay, on the basis of input we are going to take, no, if answer is equal to 1 and if answer is equal to 2.
Yeah.
If answer is equal to W1, okay, it's okay, it will be integer. Okay, so what we'll do here, it is equal to push, so you can make here the message. Okay, enter a number to push into stack. Okay,
Okay.
to push, then take the input here, we can use anyone here, and x is equal to or number is equal to, okay. Yes, number is equal to sc dot next int, and then we will call here the function, okay, push and into num. Understand? Very nice.
Yes.
Now this number will be added there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Now again, if no, if answer is equal to 2, okay, if answer is equal to 2, yes,
Then you will just pop it, right? Because we don't have to.
yes,
accept
we can
any
ask here,
number.
okay, we will call the pop function, just we will call the pop function,
Yeah,
okay,
we'll
we'll
just pop.
just call the pop once, okay, pop function, yes, here, okay, make another option, okay, peak for peak and display at line number 12, okay, 1 for push, 2 for
Okay.
pop, okay,
Uh-huh.
yes,
And what for
press
3 for display?
display, and 4 for, yes, okay, we can use here 3, 4 for peak, okay,
Oh, okay, 4 for
peak.
uh,
Okay, you can make backslash n, okay, between this one, then this will
Yeah.
be played here, okay, like backslash n, okay, okay,
Yeah.
this backslash n, then it will be
Yeah.
displayed on single lines, okay, yes,
Yes, yes.
backslash n, okay, and then we have this backslash n, okay, and then we have this backslash n, okay. Now you can make here the peak one here, okay, if answer is equal to 3, then we will call this peak, okay, yes, if we have 4, then we will call
Oh,
the
wait.
display.
3 is display.
Okay, okay, you can call it display, and if we have the 4, then we have called the peak, okay. Now
Okay.
now this should be displayed whenever for example, okay, make another function here, okay,
Okay.
for example, make a function public static, okay, stack driver, stack driver,
Stack driver.
stack driver, okay, yes,
Okay.
void, it will be a void function,
Okay.
okay, and it will return an integer, it will return an integer,
Wait, you said it will be void?
yes, yes, integer, okay, return, we can copy and paste that 2 lines that we are taking in the okay, in the top, we are displaying the options, okay, that 2 lines, okay,
Uh-huh.
that 2 lines, okay, go up please, yes,
Yep.
yes, that copy these 2 lines there, okay, these 2 lines,
Okay.
cut that one and paste in the stack drivers, okay, and return the value of answer, okay, return answer, whatever it will be returned, okay. Now go up there, understand, now remove, you can remove this one, you can remove
Yep.
this one, this function here, okay. Yes,
Then call stack driver.
yes, now make here stack, no, we have to call it with the help of int answer, okay, for example, int answer is equal to stack driver, because it will return some value, okay, answer will
Yeah,
be equal
okay.
to 1, 2, and after make here a do while statement, okay, okay, this will be do, repeat, do here, okay, repeat this all code, this one here, okay, while answer not equal
-1.
0. For example, 0. Okay. We put here equal to 0. Okay. And
Okay.
why this is the not? Because answer, we should declare this answer.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Outside. We should display this answer outside. Okay, scroll down, please. Now this will be not equal to 1, and we are in the stack driver. Okay, go to the stack driver.
Yeah.
And here we display another option. Okay, backslash and press 0 for element. Okay. Yes. Now try to run this and let's see what happens. Okay, 1 for push, press 1 for push. First of all, press 0.
Okay. And then it stops. Yeah.
We are taking input here.
Mhm.
Nothing is happened here. Okay.
What do you mean?
Okay, when we push press 1 here.
Yep.
Enter a number. Okay.
Say 3.
Okay, press 3 for display. And 3 is there. Okay. You can see.
Yep.
Okay. Now press 1 for again. 1.
Mhm.
Okay. Press 15. Okay. 7 is there. Now press 3 here again.
Yep.
You can see here 3 and 7. Okay.
Yep.
Understand? We can see here.
Yes.
The 3 and the 7 is there.
7.
Understand?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
So okay, we can also make this in this sense. Okay, go to the display function and we start from the top. Okay, understand? And we go until it is greater than equal to 0. Understand?
Okay.
And this will become I
Yeah.
minus. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now run it. Now run it again. Yes, now make it 1 for push and push 15. Okay, then again 1 for push and 15, and then 3 for. Look at 5 is down, 15 is up. Okay, for this one.
Yeah.
To show and make the sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
run it again.
I understand.
Okay, no, yes. So you can run here. 1 push here 5, then again 1 push 10, then again make. Okay, now 4, make 4. Let's check that peak is working. When we pushed 4, what is returned?
Nothing.
Okay, because we have returned this one, but we have not printed this one. Okay, in the peak.
Yeah.
Understand?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at here. We are returning this value, and here in the 4, here is that one. We are calling that one. Yes, this one is wrongly called here. We have to call this one in the sys out. Okay. Yes. In the sys out, we can do this one. Okay. Now you can run it.
Okay.
Okay. Very good.
Yes. 10 is good.
10 is out. Okay. Now we check the pop function. Okay. We have checked all this one. Okay. We are going to check pop
and
here.
2 pop.
And now
And
display.
then I'll press 3.
If we say display and
Yes,
this is
only
only
have
5 here. Okay. Pop is also working. Understand?
Yes.
So you can see here all the code is working.
Mhm.
Okay. You can see
Yeah.
up there, you can see the code, you can scroll through the code. And if we press
Yeah.
0, it exit or not. When we press 0,
Yeah.
it exit. If we press,
Yes.
okay, it is
is
exited. Okay. So it is also.
Yeah.
So this is the simple way to implement. So in this way, we can learn different data structures. Understand?
Okay.
Today
Yeah.
we learn about stack. We started with its concepts, okay, and then we have, with the help of annotations, we check that how value is pushed and popped, and now we have a written code and written implementation of stack in Java with the help of array. We do not make a class. Inshallah, in the next class, in the next lesson, we will make a separate stack class. Okay, we will make a stack class. Okay,
Okay.
and then we will
Okay.
make a stack driver class. Okay.
Okay.
In the stack class, we will create a stack and all the functions of push, pop, and these will be defined there. Okay. And we can create the object like we are going to create a stack. When we will we will create a stack S1, then S1 will be a stack. We will be able to call push on S1, pop on S1, peek on S1. Okay. So in this way, we will try to make it more logically with the help of object-oriented programming. Okay. Using the classes and the objects. Understand?
Objects. Okay. Yes.